matindi kay Papa Kids. Best prank in airport, guys. This is the best prank ever. Matutulong. Welcome to our house of
KBR.
So today we are going to
Boracay.
So we're gonna go to Ireland and
We're gonna drugs.
go swimming.
I hate
You hate beach? What? Ano you hate beach?
salted water, mommy.
You hate what? Beach? Why? Why?
Because there's salted water.
There's salted water daw. So, guys, itutour namin kayo. So, we're gonna have fun. So, we're going to Boracay, guys.
Hello. Let's go. Oh. Hello. Okay, hello, God. I want to go to Boracay. I want to do swimming.
I think we have to go to the airport.
Mommy.
Wrong airport.
Huh? Who?
We have to walk.
You're kidding me.
I'm not kidding you.
You're joking. You're laughing, bro. You're laughing. If you're laughing, you're joking.
I'm not laughing.
Welcome to the airport of... We're gonna go inside the airport. What airport is this again? My boat. Where's my ID? It's a recap. Yay! Yay! Happy look! Hello.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Where do you think you're going to line up? Some special needs? Do you have special needs?
Mommy, I don't know. Hello. 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 I am walking with the streets. Whoa! Where do we go? Go back here. We go to
Have you been to
Yellow
Boracay?
Big.
Do you still remember na pumunta ka doon last time?
Never.
No? You don't remember?
Beckley. Do we need ID?
Yeah.
It's my ID from grade 1.
Are you happy being grade 1?
I sleep. I actually don't even know when I've been to Boracay or not.
Never been to? You don't remember?
No, I did not.
Where you went there?
I have my ID.
Guys, so andito kami sa airport. Sana hindi umulan sa Boracay.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
Ay, makapag-swimming kami ng maayos. And kailangan na daw ilagay yung daldal. Puro pa daw ako daldal. Alam mo ako si princess. Hindi pa pwedeng ako lang. So, di ba? Boys, help me. Help your mom. No, that's not included. This one muna. Ano, Bentley? Ikaw na dyan?
Yes.
Ha?
Hello.
Bilisan nyo. Yeah. And also, wait lang. Wait lang. Wait, baka na mamaya ka na. Oh.
I can carry.
Yeah. Next, luggage. Next. What's next? You're next.
Hello.
Oh, siya. Sige na. Royce, ang kulit mo sabi sa loob ka na mag-aala. Dali na.
No, how did you do it?
I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Mommy, go.
Ayaw mo yan, kuya. Wag mo tulungan. Macho, ah. O, pak. Macho.
Oh gosh.
O, buhatin mo.
Okay.
Oh, show your muscle. Show your muscle after. Yan. Oh, yan. Oh, you should do this. Ah, macho. Ah. Guys, kinakausap ko si Renzi dahil isa siya sa mga sindikato dito sa sindikato dito sa airport. Hindi, pupunta na si Mark dyan. Kasi guys, yung park and fly, kailangan pala magpapareserve ka daw. Hindi basta-basta walk-in doon.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
So, may dala kasi kaming van. Tinawagan ko ang aking insan na si Renzi. Go, papunta na siya dyan. Tapos hatid mo siya dito sa Terminal 2. Ah, sige. Guys, nausap ko, pag may airport ang ating lang siya, pag may kailangan kayo sa airport, siya ang best man.
Hindi totoo yan. Bola lang yan.
Tingnan mo, may problema kami ngayon dito. Diba? Siya ang aming savior. Kaso muntik na siyang hindi magkasya sa camera. Yan na. So, yan na siya. Ang ating insan. Insan! Ikaw nang bahala. O, diba? Respetado. Mukhang polis. Insan. Ibang-iba. Kakatakot ka. Kamusta naman po ang ating trabaho dito?
Ayun, inabala ako ni Miss Katrina Kasundo.
Pinabala ka? Guys,
Pakisama mo pa ako.
oo, kasama ka talaga. Bawal ba?
Diretso na.
Bawal ba siya? Gusto mo sumama sa Boracay? Tara!
Tara na.
Tara, dali, huwag ka nang pumasok.
Naka-duty.
Guys, huwag niyo siyang papasukin. Lagi siyang cutting class. So ano, Baba, ikaw lang bahala sa van. Oh, weekend.
Problema sa paparado.
O sige,
Bye-bye.
text mo kung saan magkano bayad sa parada. Okay. Bye, Insan! Ano tayo? Nandiyan na. Nandiyan na. Asan? Love, makikita ka dyan. Bumalik sila sa CR ng babae. Yan, kailangan ng gold, mapaiyak natin sila. Naku, si Royce, kinakabahan na yan, guys. Matatakotin yan. Dito mo. Nasa Bentley. Kung matindi ko, ipapakage. Best prank in airport, guys. This is the best prank ever. Matutulong. Nakapal, guys, nagyayakapan na sila. Guys, umiiyak na po ang aking bunso. Tataka na yung mga tao. Asan ang kanilang mami? Bubuko na ba natin? Pagbalik na lang. Pagbalik na lang, umiiyak na si Roy. Asan ka na? Magtatanong na ba yan? So, kawawa naman sila. Ayan na, pumunta na sa guard. Sundan mo kaya lang. Sundan natin. Dito tayo sa gilid. Lalapit ko to sa kanila. Tago kami, oh. You're gonna run pa? You're gonna run?
I don't know.
What did I say? Stop crying na! Bakit? Aba? So, what happened to you? Okay, sobrang. Eh, OA! Si OA! Si OA talaga! Si OA! Bakit? Ano na? You're gonna run pa. Run. Okay, for the bathroom. What happened to you? You got scared? What happened to you? Ano?
You're recording it.
Yeah, we're recording. We will show you that you got pranked. You got pranked. Ako, I'm sure gagantiyan si Kuya. Oh, look, Ayaya Ruby and Kuya Mark. Saan sila nagtago? There, oh. There kami nagtago. Oh. There. Grace, what happened? You're gonna ganti.
Wait, mommy, look at me, mommy, where?
I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you where. Come on, let's go. Wait, I want to ask lang, you got scared? Ay, sige, you don't answer me. I'm gonna, you got scared? Why? You want me to show you where we, hide there, oh. We are there, come on.
If they were just sitting there lang?
Ano?
You sat
Ala, ayaw na nyo kay Yaya Ruby daw. Yaya Ruby, yung alaga mo, ala. Ang tatambo.
Walang gusto, hindi kayo.
Ala, love lang.
Hindi lang.
Only you lang?
Only me lang.
Royce, come here. What happened to you? Got scared? Si Royce, ala. Ayaw na kay Mami? Ayaw na? Ano?
Ayaw na sir.
Ayaw na kay Yaya Ruby. You don't like Yaya Ruby then? Ala. Ay, ang drama. Oo. Say, you got prank.
I'll come back later.
What did you say to the guard? What did you tell them?
What to do if you lost your parents?
Ano sabi nila?
I'll just look around.
They're gonna look around. Oh, what did they say pa?
Wala.
Why stop it? What did they say pa?
They said that they're gonna put you under arrest.
They put me under arrest?
Yes.
What else? Patay! You want mommy to go to jail?
And then they're gonna say that they're gonna find new parents.
You're gonna find new parents?
They said that.
Ah, sige. New parents na si Royce. Arte yan? I don't like Royce na arte. Oh. So you guys prank.
I'll get her back later.
You get her? You gonna get me?
But not today, syempre.
But you think of something.
I wanna be stuck with them for the next 24 hours.
You don't like mommy na?
Only likes me, cause
You
I
don't
don't
like
leave
mommy
him.
na? You don't like mommy? You don't like mommy na? You don't... Royce! Si Royce nababaliw. Royce, sit down nga. Sit down. It's funny nga, you got prank eh. It means you love mommy so much?
No,
You love mommy so much?
Wala na.
You love mommy so much?
No.
Love mommy so much? Ano ka na? Kuya is mine. Okay, so, tapos na kami mag-prank. Ayun na sila. Yun na, hindi niya mapatawad ang kanyang yaya. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Nagdadrama pa rin si OA. Si OA yan. OA. Come to mommy. Si OA. Hindi pa rin makamove on. Si OA.
A few moments
Malaki ang galit niya sa mundo pag napaprank siya. Pag napapayak siya, mahirap siya magpatawad. Isa kasi siyang Aris. Guys, I thought you hate us. Iwan ka na, we're gonna leave you here. Ano? Guys, after 3 hours, dahil delayed ang flight, ito, hindi pa rin kami magpatawad. Royce, do you love mommy? Royce, do you love mommy? Royce, do you love mommy? So guys, ganyan si Royce. Hindi siya madaling magpatawad. So pag nainis siya, 2 days kanyang hindi kakausapin.
Goodbye.
So, ayun si Iyo. Okay. Kumakain nila ng donut.
What is I doing this? And then I saw a camera. I could see the camera. I knew it, so I stayed in action. So I wanted to stop it. So I just went to the guard and I asked him, what happened if you lose your parents? Just so that you will come up. So, mommy, Mommy, I have what I hear, She asked me, mommy. Yeah, what I hear, I can see you through here,
What happened to you?
Royce, can I tell you something? Royce, what? I know the prank now. What? I saw the camera.
So guys, we're here in Katiklan Airport. So we got the private van, yung ako private speedboat.
For private speedboat, here was private van, private speedboat, and private van going lang.
Private kasi guys, ayaw namin magantay. Kaya lahat kami may mahina ang aming waiting time.
5 nights, mommy. Oh, wow.
Don't play with it, Royce. When we're talking, you don't talk. No, it's so many times. We've been here for so many times. Tingnan natin ang itsura ng private boat, speedboat ng Boracay.
I'm ready.
So pag kumuha ka daw ng private, walang pila.
Look at the boats. Let's go.
So, this is our private boat. What can you say?
Very cool. Especially if we're all alone.
You're all alone?
Yes.
You can dance here daw.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm ready.
You're ready to dance? Okay, are you ready to dance? Oh, dance na dance. Dali.
How much is this?
Si Mr. How much? Mr. How much siya kasi yung tatlo.
We're free. Oh, we're gonna move.
Be careful.
We are free.
Buds na, dali.
Inside.
Oh, here's the song. We're gonna party in the boat. Do you know what? Dali. Bentley, go!
Anxiety, keep on trying me. Feel it quietly. Try to silence me. My anxiety, she could hope for me. Something was touching me. That's my anxiety.
So kami lang ang tao, guys. Kami lang ang tao dito. Okay, anong question?
Are you?
Uno ka na dito. Ayun na daw yung ulam ni Kuya.
Do you like this trip? Yeah, I like it. Let's go to the front, guys. Let's go. Are we going to stand in the stairs?
No, you cannot. Not allowed. Oh, they lock it na. They lock
I
it
want
na.
to sit here. Yeah, let's go to the back. I'll be there. Let's go. Oh, mommy. Okay. So, guys, my mom fell asleep, and then, so since she's asleep, we are gonna throw her apology to wala, sino yan? Who's that?
So guys, we're here in Boracay. Sobrang smooth yung travel namin kasi we got the private boat, van, transfer, balikan na siya.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Ayaw namin nang nag-aantay sa sign sa oras. So, yun lang. Pero there's another way to go here mas cheaper. So, say bye-bye na for a day.
Bye!